Taking it up a level. Now it's about to get crazy. Watch him. Nice. Hey, hey, hey. Push it. Nice, Tony, nice. Oh, he's not done, ladies and gentlemen. Now watch him. Make some noise for Tony. We got B-Boy Pebble from Puerto Rico. Watch him. Hey, 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 hey. Oh my God. That boy is strong. Watch this. Life is all about balance, ladies and gentlemen. Next level, Pebble. And for the ladies. Oh my God. That is amazing. And he's only 14 years old. Watch him. Hey, hey. Santa Monica, make some noise. Everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap. Yeah, we just need you guys to move up to the cones. We have to have an organized crowd. Help us out, help us out. Everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap. All the way up, all the way up, all the way up. This is B-Boy Shaggy from Jalisco, Mexico. Watch it. Nice. Go hands. I see you, Shaggy. Oh, he's smooth. He's talented. He's Mexican. Make some noise for Shaggy. No, don't be racist. He's Mexican. Make some noise. Oh, they love you, Shaggy. Everybody clap, clap. You're not gonna dance. Help me out. Thank you. Yes, you, brother. Come on. Thank you. Stand right there over there. Everybody clap, clap, clap. Sir, can you help me out, brother? Please. Thank you. Yes, you. You, brother. Come on. Everybody clap, clap, clap. Don't move, okay? Everybody clap, clap. Oh, yes. Brother, can you help me out, please? Thank you. Stand right there. You're not gonna dance, okay? Everybody clap. All right, stop the music. I'm not picking anybody else. But can everybody please move up? Close the gaps. We don't want to get a ticket. We don't want to go to jail again, man. Okay, I'm too short in queue for that. Thank you. All the way up, Papa, come on. Asian people, please move up. Thank you. Where are you guys from? You move up, Papa. Yes, thank you. Papa, can you help me out? Thank you. You just have to stand there, like you're doing right now. Thank you. Give it up for the richest guy on the pier. Thank you. Hi, Grandpa. All right, Grandpa, listen up. That was the first part of the show. Those were just the warm-ups. If you guys like the warm-ups and you guys want to see more, at the count of 3, make some noise. We want to have the loudest crowd on the pier. Here we go. At the count of 3, 5 seconds of noise. 1, 2, 3. Make some noise. Come on! Everybody clap, 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 clap. Brennan, they want to see it, so we got to do it.
That was good, because what's about to happen next is actually very dangerous. Now, we are officially at the part that we like to call our grand finale. And this grand finale, this is the move that made us famous on TikTok with over 15 million views. And I know you guys are probably looking at these guys like, why did you put them out there? Well, it's because they're going to be a part of this grand finale. So let me go ahead and explain to you guys what that is so nobody here is confused. And it's a really, really cool grand finale because there's only 3 people that can actually do it. Luckily, I'm one of those 3 people, ladies and gentlemen. So for your grand finale, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run from that side of the pier.
That side!
Full speed.
Full speed!
And ladies and gentlemen, I am going to flip over most of these guys. By the extended landing on the other side with no hands, everybody say, ooh. Say, ah. Okay, you guys are still with me. Volunteers, shoulder to shoulder, get it really close, really tight. We don't... Come on, boy. Don't freak them out. Jesus. He's just kidding. But you know what? Before we take this dangerous grand finale, I wanted to be serious for a second because throughout the entire show, I was taking a look around. And I noticed that we have some kids in our crowd.
That's right.
So we have a message for those kids.
For the kids.
And I want you guys to really listen to me, okay? Because you guys are the future of this world.
Yes. That's right.
You guys can be anything you want to be in life. But it starts with believing in yourself. And staying focused. Now, what I mean by staying focused is you have to stay in school. Stay away from drugs. Stay away from alcohol. Okay, it's not good for your body. or your mind. And this message is for everybody out here, all right? I know we're out here, we're saying some racist jokes, but that's because to us, racism is a joke. I need everybody to take a look at each other right now. Everybody looks different and beautiful. Everybody's smiling, everybody's having a great time, and that is what we love to see. But you do know there is places right now in the world that's not fortunate enough to have that. They have to hate each other, they have to be at war. And listen, excuse my language, with all the crazy shit that's happening in this country today, me and my friends, we don't care what you guys do for a living. We don't care what you guys look like, because despite all of that, there's still only one race. And that's the human race. So we must learn to live together and be more civilized. Make some noise, Santa Monica, make some noise. It's a good message, you know, so if you're not clapping, you kind of look racist, just a little bit. No, it's a lot of crazy stuff happening in the world, so we like to spread the positivity as much as we can. Now, I'm going to say this very honestly and very humbly. Me and my friends, we've been doing this show for a very long time. Believe it or not, we've done this dangerous grand finale flip all over the world. We've done it in Mexico. Here in Santa Monica. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's every word it was. But there is one thing that we did learn. This is from years of experience. That if we take this dangerous grand finale right now, then get up and bow, most of you guys are going to leave. Because it's a street show. That's normally how it goes. So we know right now is the perfect time for me and my friends to walk around, collect any tips and donations you guys have for us. Oh, hold them up, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, Tony?
Make some noise. We got our first $20.
There we go, there we go. That is a beautiful, beautiful donation. You got to tell me who gave you the first beautiful donation.
She was born here, but she lives in Massachusetts.
Matt, we're going to represent Massachusetts then. Ladies and gentlemen, clap your hands for Massachusetts, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise for Massachusetts. Massachusetts is out here blessing us, showing their love. Thank you so much, Massachusetts. What happened, Tony?
$20 more.
Oh, I love that, man. They love you. From who?
Virginia. Where you guys from?
That's what we're talking about. Clap your hands for Virginia, ladies and gentlemen. Virginia's out here showing their love. That's how you represent where you from. Virginia's showing out. Massachusetts. What's up?
It's not 20.
That's okay.
$10 all the way from Michoacan, Mexico.
Make some noise for Mexico. Clap your hands for wait. Shaggy, you said $10? $10 bill? You remember what happened last time? Check and see if it's real. I'm just kidding. Goddammit. I'm just kidding. What's up, Tony? It's getting better. Oh, it is getting better. $25 from who?
From Scotland.
Make some noise for Scotland, ladies and gentlemen. Clap your hands for Scotland. Scotland's out here showing their love. Scotland. We're 20 seconds away, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, Tony? Talk to me, brother.
Another great donation.
You got another great donation.
Coming all the way from Pennsylvania.
Clap your hands for Pennsylvania, ladies and gentlemen. Pennsylvania is in the house. Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh.
Yo.
What's up, bro?
Last to give.
Last to give.
Germany in the house.
Germany. Okay, so make some noise for Germany, everybody. Clap your hands for Germany. Germany's in the house. Guys, they're rich. Pin numbers. Watch. We'll take the True Religion back. New Balance, 96. No, listen. Fellas, listen, all serious. You got polo on. Listen, fellas, all seriousness, all jokes aside. Now, I know you guys are probably here with the wives, kids, girlfriends, families. They probably donated to us for the show. Thank you guys again, by the way. I'm going to be honest. What you guys are about to do is donate for your safety. Now, sir, listen to me, okay? Just hear me out. $20 will save your life.
Yes.
Keeps you in the safety zone right here. This is called the VIP. VIP, where he's at, that's RIP. We don't want to be there. $50, we let you guys leave. You never, ever have to come back.
Never.
But let's say you guys really wanted to go above and beyond, and you're like, man, it is hot. You guys are putting on a great show. Let's say you guys blessed us with $100. First off, it's never been done to us in a show. Not only will this crowd go wild, we get to go home feeling like superstars. But we'll go home with you, sugar daddies. Oh God, he's strong. He is strong. I'm gonna start with this gentleman. So where are you from? Kentucky. Make some noise for Kentucky, ladies and gentlemen. Kentucky's in the house. Thank you for the fried chicken, my brother. Would you like? I'm serious, because I'm gonna be running from this side. The front is the safest place. Once we get closer to the end, that's where it's more dangerous. Where are you from, sir? Arizona, make some noise. Clap your hands if you love iced tea for Arizona. Everybody clap your hands for Arizona's in the house. I love iced tea. With $20 from Arizona, ladies and gentlemen. This guy is paying for his safety, stand right next to him. Now, guys, keep in mind. The more you give, the more you live. I'm gonna start with this guy. Where you from, dog? Virginia, make some noise for Virginia one more time. Hell yeah.
$25
Oh, 20. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry. Virginia. He gave more. That's a real thing. I'm sorry. Virginia was like, fuck that. He said, I want to be safe too, motherfucker. Where are you from, dog? Australia. Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. Make some noise for Australia, ladies and gentlemen. Clap your hands for Australia. Australia, would you like to bless them with a donation, my brother? You don't have cash?
It's okay.
I'll buy a receipt.
We'll put him, yeah. It's all good. I like his style. We'll let his ass slide. Stay working.
Yes, guys. Arms out.
Cross your arms. What you guys are going to do is bend your knees, right? And then you're going to lean forward, rest your elbows on your
He is flipping over them. It's not a jump. It's a flip. Thank you. People in the back, cheap people in the back. You guys can move up. We got the money already. Thank you.
All Shaggy does is yell at people and then it's just
Thank you, guys.
guys, head down.
You guys can tag us on Instagram. Hashtag the damn team. Don't just put Mexicans dancing on Santa Monica Beach. That's fucked up. Everybody clap, 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 clap. When he lands, make some noise. Everybody clap, 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 clap. Santa Monica, make some noise! He made it!
Oh, fellas, you guys can stand up. Shake my hand real quick. Now you guys can go back and tell your friends and family you got jumped by a black guy in LA. Ladies and gentlemen, that was our show. God bless you all. Welcome to Santa Monica, California. Any last donations is greatly appreciated. And if you took any cool photos or videos, please make sure you tag us and follow us on our Instagram at The Damn Team. The Damn Team, TheDamnTeam. The Damn Team.